Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about one of the topic, that is city creation. In this city creation, basically one of the topic that we are discussing, that is Lux Web solution. Basically, in this basically few people says that Microsoft also basically keeps on watching the computers. Basically, there people basically keeps on watching. They basically have lots of center in Chennai, sorry, in Vadodara city, like Chhani is there basically, and lots of people says that basically this system basically is created. For example, the people basically of Microsoft basically they keeps on watching the computer also basically. Then one of the person will say, are you sure basically? That very few computer basically they keeps on watching basically. For example, they say that basically this person basically might be doing some bad activity. So like this basically they keeps on watching the computers also basically. Microsoft group, because lots of people say that basically Microsoft groups are in Vadodara city also. They have given the contract to you group basically. You keeps on watching basically what the people basically are doing. So they basically started creating the log file basically equal to computer company basically. That is the software company basically. And immediately they give the punishment also basically. That also that can basically comes into the cyber business basically. That comes into the cyber business basically. That also we are going to discuss what actually cyber business is. And immediately the earthquake also basically will be going to connect. That also we will see. That is given the name as earthquake business basically. That actually a name I have given basically. That is earthquake business basically. So in next video basically we are going to next few video basically we are going to see what actually the earthquake business is basically. That also we are going to see. So like this basically the BJP government, Congress government basically, who are still sitting in the Parliament House basically, they basically told that basically Vadodara city basically, that is the Lakshya. I will just take his name basically is, I don't know what is actually his name. Uh, his honor basically, some honor, his name is I think some Dilip basically. But that is in front of the world basically. But in real basically his name might be something else basically. क्योंकि in real basically lots of people basically, I have taken the example of this company ना basically, this company basically, Office Beacon, this, and see his photo basically. But in really basically he's not the owner. He's just kept as in front basically, in front of the world basically. But in really basically the owner basically somebody else. Same way basically he is also basically might be someone basically. So like this basically things are basically there. So see the Chennai basically, see Vadodara city also basically, and see basically USA also, see UK also, see Singapore also, see Canada also. Canada example basically also we have given basically. That is the business, what actually the business is. So now basically we will again back to this part, that is 11 part basically. 11 parts basically earth planet has been divided, right? Basically one of the person told that basically universe group basically know that basically anything basically can happen any second basically. So they have basically whenever the new big creation happens, for example education basically was the one of the creation basically, they immediately track that basically the education might create problem in future basically. So immediately they break on the planet basically. That is they have done the 11 parts basically. In really basically it might be 100 only basically, 100, 200, 300 basically. But here basically we are taken just as example of 11 basically. So in 11 basically one of the part is of Asia basically, but in Asia also basically lots of parts basically might be divided. It's not like that basically in Asia only there would be one part basically. Pakistan, India basically, see basically Pakistan, China basically, sorry, China, India basically, they have done the war also na basically. They have not done the war basically. So they have done the war basically. So there also basically division might be there basically. When the China and India basically got the war, that time basically immediately basically Sky Group have basically, that is the satellite group basically might have divided the China and India land basically. That is 100% wrong. Because anything basically can happen anytime. Pakistan India war basically. See the Pakistan India war basically. See Pakistan India war also basically. So like this basically things are basically there. So like this basically the Pakistan India is also basically one of the country basically. They have also generated into the war basically. So just see basically now what are the things basically going to happen now. So now basically we are talking about the Vadodara city basically, that is that basically we have already seen. Now basically we are seeing the 11 parts basically. That also almost basically we have saw basically, right basically. But this basically we will discuss in detail basically. It might possible that when we are discussing that time basically the Asia land basically might be getting divided basically. And in this basically we saw the cyber cell group also basically, and cyber cell example we have saw basically, that is one of the person basically, each and every Microsoft group basically, they basically place their people basically in each and every city. For example, in Vadodara city, I will take my example. Assume that basically Microsoft group of Vadodara city basically are watching my laptop. Just taking as an example, really basically they are not basically. They basically keep going and seeing, watching my laptop basically, what actually I am doing, what actually where I am going, each and everything basically. Just taking as an example, basically real basically they are not doing basically like this basically. See this also basically. So I'm just taking as an example basically. That cyber cell group basically is keep watching basically what actually Sunil Nair is doing in the laptop basically. So immediately basically they dump the punishment also basically, that he has basically done this basically, do this punishment, this basically. We are going to take that earthquake also basically. Earthquake basically, how basically suddenly basically the earthquakes comes, that also we will be discussing. So immediately basically they do this, that basically, each and everything basically they do. Some basically few people basically are doing some work basically, they basically immediately basically they give the job also basically. But there are few people basically who are basically just giving into the punishment basically, that are the cyber group basically. They just know one thing basically, that is give the punishment basically, because they have taught that only basically, just to give punishment basically, nothing else basically. Their police department basically have basically given training just to give punishment, nothing else basically, because they are trained up to that level, and that's why basically, because they are also human basically, that's why basically. So here basically we are discussing what 11 parts basically, that is incidents basically. This also basically we have saw basically. Then also little bit basically we are going to see basically, that is the 11 parts basically the earth planet has divided. So in this basically we were telling that basically incidents basically happens basically, like assume that basically Pakistan India war basically was happened. Then he told that yes, here Pakistan India war basically has happened 4 to 5 times basically, that basically everybody knows basically. So on the basis of what basically it was happened basically, few people says that yeah basically that person which is going, yeah basically that is India blood basically. That person you can see basically, that person is going, yes, that is Pakistan blood basically. So in Pakistan blood and India blood basically, some conflict might have happened basically. On the base of that basically, some basically parts basically of the some blood cells basically might have got damaged basically. Due to that basically the war started, and this is fact basically. So one of the person told that what actually might have happened here in the blood cells basically, that is basically by default basically. For example, India world blood cells basically and Pakistan blood cells, right basically. So we will see this basically in detail basically, what actually that is India blood cells and Pakistan blood cells, because this has converted into, because whatever country basically who do the war na basically, the whole world have to suffer that basically in one day basically. The India Pakistan war basically is suffered by the whole world basically, and that basically converts into the business also basically, that converts into the sales business. You can just imagine basically the sales and business also basically, and this has converted into the technical aspect also basically, because cyber group basically interacts with, if any Pakistani group basically connect with the Indian basically, then lots of things basically happen, like this lots of thing basically has been divided basically. So in next video basically we are going to see the how basically the India blood cells and what the Pakistan blood cells basically was created, how basically the war actually basically also started of the Pakistan and India war basically, that is basically the India blood cells and the Pakistan blood cells. In next video basically we are going to